the process for creating a page is very similar to creating posts, and to do this we go to Pages, and we will see a list of all our existing pages. A sample page was created during our installation of WordPress, and again, you should trash this page because of course it's there for demonstration, but I won't do that just yet, just so that you can see how pages will be displayed on our website, especially after we create our new page. So to create the new page, we just select Add New, and here we have a WYSIWYG editor, similar to when we were creating a post. And the first thing we want to do is name the page. I'm going to call this page About Me, and again I prepared some text, and the process is similar. We can make the text bold, etc. In this case I'm going to use use this top line here, use the heading 1 tag, and okay, let me undo that. Then we need to apply it to all of the text. Let me just press enter and separate this line of text, and then so that first line has become a heading, and I'll just center align it. And you can just play around again with the text, underline this bit here, and so on and so forth. So after we've completed our editing, we can just go ahead and publish. Now, just a slightly different set of options for a page, and you remember when we were creating posts we had categories over here on the right, but now instead we have page attributes. Now if we go back up here to our screen options, let me just select discussion, so that which controls our comments, and of course there's an author option which allows you to assign an author to the page. Now the author information actually doesn't show up for pages actually in posts, so if you ever wanted to change the author for your post, you could just select that option. But if we go back to page attributes now, what you can do here is select a parent page for this page. So what would happen is that if we selected the sample page as a parent page, then in our menu this page would appear below the sample page. And we also have the option to select templates. Now the default template will be, as it says, the default layout for your website, which if we go to our homepage, www.videosidekick.com, and we go to our sample page, then this is our default template, our content on the right, and our sidebar on the left with our menu at the top, and we have a footer here at the bottom. Now if we go back to so we also have the option to create a full width page, which would remove the sidebars so that our content would take center stage, and there's also a contributor page. Now to be honest, I'm not quite familiar what this page does, but it's something you can test out. Different themes will give you different templates. This particular theme is a portfolio type theme, so it may have something to do with that. But like I said, depending on the theme that you're using, different templates will be listed here, and you know, the best way to figure out what it does is just create a test page, select template, and see what happens. And if we are satisfied with our content, just one thing, I like to remove comments and trackbacks from my pages, but it's up to you. You can allow comments if you'd like, and we just go ahead and select publish. And again, our URL will include the name of our page, so it will be our main URL, wpvideopsychic.com/about-me. And again, you can edit this URL, you can view the page, or you can get a short link. And let's go ahead and view the page. And there you go, an About Me page, and the name of the page will be at the top, and our content. And if we go back to our home page, and visit our site, and again, because I'm logged in, it's not showing the update, so let me just go into another browser and head back over to our site. Okay, so I've refreshed the page, and just go to our home page, and what you will see here now is that our new page, our About Me page, has been added to our menu. Now, in most themes, this will be the default action. Once you add a new page, it will be added automatically to your main menu. Now, again, like I said, it depends on the theme, but in another video, I'll show you how to create custom menus so that we can control exactly what appears in your menu areas, because as you can imagine, not every single page you create you'd want to be displayed in your menu. For example, if you have a private page for members, or a download page for your product, you certainly wouldn't want that to be shown in your main navigation. And additionally, if you were to create a lot of pages, then your menu area would be quite jumbled. So in another video, I'll show you how to create custom videos. But for now, that's it for pages, and yeah, that's it for this video.